a normal body has 100,000 calories. Can you just imagine that a normal body has 100,000 calories that it can use even when you're not eating? No. So when you're not eating, you are burning those calories. You are eating when you are not eating. Your body just is just living off your fat. So kinakain niya. So if you have excess fat, don't worry because the body metabolically switches. The fuel of your body metabolically switches from glucose or sugar to fat. And yung fat na yon, 'di ba? Nabasa mo yung ketones produces ketones. And ketones are the preferred fuel of the body and brain. It's fascinating. That's why ako ngayon today we are in a 24-hour fast. Hindi pa ako kumakain. Yung last kain ko kahapon sa Pampanga, sa Carinderia. Oh, we finished 4 p.m. Now, what time? Anong oras na ngayon? It's 2:47 p.m. So I will eat around 4 p.m. after this. But I don't feel bad. I feel really good, alert, and everything. I can think clearly. I can study. I can play chess. That's because I'm already fat adapted. I've been doing this for more than a year.